Let's try to do sum of cubes now. Okay. Now we did difference of cubes in the last video, and here we'll do sum of cubes. So let's try to divide x cubed plus 64 by x plus 4. So we'll do long division here and synthetic division there, right? That will help you to understand both the processes. So long division, let's make this, write down our numbers. What is the divisor? Divisor is x plus 4, right? X plus 4 here, and this is the dividend. There are missing terms, x square and x. So we have to write them with 0 coefficients, right? Plus 0x square plus 0x plus 64, correct? Now, let's start our division process. So, what should you multiply this with to get x cubed? It is x square. So we'll write x square here. We are using two terms, right? Because these are two terms. X square times x is x cubed plus 4x square. And when you take away, what do you get? You get minus 4x square and bring down 0x plus 0x. Now here it is minus 4x square. So we'll multiply this by minus 4x. Minus 4x. So when you do that, you get minus 4x square, and minus times plus is minus, and 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so when you multiply, add them, rather take away, then you get plus 16x here, bring down 64, plus 64. Now, you should multiply by 16, so write plus 16 here. 16 times x is 16x. 16 times 4 is 64. When you take away, you get 0 remainder. That means what? That means x plus 4 is a factor of this. And we can write our division statement now. So division statement is that x cubed plus 64 divided or is equal to x plus 4 times the quotient, which is x square minus 4x plus 16. You will appreciate this is 4 cubed. 64 is 4 cubed. So we get x plus 4. X cubed plus 4 cubed. Do you see that? And let me make it very clear to you here. So basically this is x cubed plus 4 cubed, right? Is equal to x plus 4, and this is x square minus 4 times x. Do you see the multiple? 4 times x plus 4 square. Okay, that's what you get here, right? Now let's do the right, another one. This is with the general term. Instead of writing 64 or any other number, I'm writing a cube. It could be anything, correct? So we will do synthetic division here. And so let's write down the coefficients. Coefficients here are x cube coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is 0, coefficient of our x is 0, and the constant term is a cube. What will make this 0? Minus a. So write minus a here. Okay. Now, first step is what? Bring down this number and then multiply by minus a. So let's do that. When you bring down 1, you get 1. Multiply by minus a and write down here, you get minus a. Plus minus a to 0, you get minus a. Multiply minus a by minus a, you get plus a square. And when you add them, you get a square. Again multiply this by this, so you get minus a cube. When you add them, you get 0. So the remainder is 0. That means x plus a is a factor of x cubed plus a cubed. So now I can write my division statement, which is x cubed plus a cubed is equal to x plus a times, this is what? Leading coefficient should be x square because you multiplied cube by x, okay? So x square, and this is a leading coefficient, this is the coefficient for x term, so minus ax, and this one is the constant, plus a square. Do you see that? So x cubed plus a cube will give us x plus a times x square minus ax this time plus a square. Do you see that? So in general, we can now write down a formula for sum of cubes. Sum of cubes could be written as a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square, this is cube, minus ab plus b square. Well, these are standard formulas which you can use for factoring, and they are very important and convenient to use. Okay, try some questions on your own based on a cube plus b cube. So let me give you one to try. You can try this: x cube plus, let's say, 3 cube divided by x plus 3, and see what you get. Also use formula and check, do you get the same result? If yes, then the formula works. Great. Thank you.